use the word sound as a verb when talking about an opinion. This is your idea. That sounds good. Here's an adjective after the verb. That doesn't sound good. This is negative. What's that sound? In this question, sound is a noun. In this sentence, sound is a verb. It's in the present tense. And this is an adjective. The verb sound is similar to the verb be. So you could say that is good. This is the verb be that matches the subject. Or if you use the word sound, this is your opinion. This is your perception. That sounds good. In these sentences, the verb sound is in the present tense, and then here's an adjective after the verb. That sounds good. So this is my idea. This is my opinion. These are all opinions. It sounds easy. He sounds angry. She sounds happy. Whether this is true or not, it doesn't really matter. This is a person's opinion. You sound like you're mad. This is my opinion. This is what I see, or it could be what I hear. Instead of like, you can also say as if. You sound as if you're mad. Or you sound as though you're mad. So this is the opinion of the person who is watching or listening to someone else. If I want your opinion on something, I can use this question: how does that sound? And then the answer would be that sounds, and then here's the adjective. That sounds good. Or you could say that sounds terrible. Or you could say that sounds like a good idea. Sometimes a person's voice gives the impression of sickness. If you hear that, then you can say, you sound sick. Or you sound like you're sick. You sound terrible. In this case, the person really sounds sick because of coughing, sneezing, and other symptoms.